Hi, I'm Chef Robert, and today I'd like to show you how to make both soft and hard meringue. Soft meringue is used mainly as a topping for pies or tarts, or it's incorporated into cake batters. A hard meringue is often made into cookies or used as a crust. The major difference between the two is that the soft meringue uses less sugar than a hard meringue. Here's the combined ingredients we'll be using to make both types of meringue. 3 room temperature egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3/4 cup of sugar divided between the two, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our equipment, we have a mixer with a whisk attachment, a tablespoon, and a rubber spatula. First, I'm going to show you how to make a soft meringue. Before we begin, remember, always wash our hands before cooking. We'll start by adding our egg whites and our cream of tartar. Now, we'll turn the mixer on slow. Gradually increase our speed. It's very important that there are no egg yolks in your egg whites. Otherwise, the fat from the egg yolk will prevent your meringue from forming properly. And we'll gradually increase our speed as it's starting to get foamy, as you can tell. At this point, we'll go ahead and add our sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. One of the key is to make sure your sugar is dissolved. You'll do that test by rubbing a little between your fingers to make sure there's no gritty feel. Now that you've added this sugar, we'll give it a whip right quick. And we're going to slow it down, and we'll stop for a minute, and we'll see what we're looking like. Again, we want to make sure the sugar is dissolved and our peaks are soft. Give it one more whip. Well, let's see what we have here. And you should be able to feel just egg white, nice and smooth. Now I'll show you what it looks like. It's not very, notice as it peaks over just a little bit. This lets you know you're at your soft stage. Now, we would use that meringue, that soft one. We use it for a beautiful meringue pie. Now we will continue on to make the hard meringue. Add us another mixer, whip, and the same process again as with the soft. You're going to gradually add your sugar. Turn it off. Again, try to stay off the sides where some of the sugar splattered so you can get a true test. Let's see what we have here. Maybe just a little more. While that's going, we'll go ahead and add our vanilla. Increase a little bit. Get that nice blend, because we also have a little brown to it, so we want to get this incorporated so it goes back to that nice white shine. And that should do it. See what we have here. Notice how much more volume and gloss there is to this. Have some cookies here. This is what we would make out of this. So there you have it, soft and hard, and what you make out of both of them. I'm gonna try a cookie right now. Nice and light, but full of flavor. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking, everyone.